Hello folks, Scott with Dallas Paint Correction. This video isn't going to take very long. Most of you are probably going, yay, thank you Scott, make a short video. It's going to be about coating applicators. What is the best coating applicator that you and I can buy locally? Folks, I came across this applicator. You can buy it at O'Reilly's. This is a coating applicator. What's really cool about this one, it's made by Revive. You can find it in just about every O'Reilly's. When I take this applicator out, what I love about it is that it's a very short nap. This is called the suede applicator. It doesn't have like little loops on it, and I'm going to get to that in a minute. But what's really cool about this suede cloth applicator you can find at O'Reilly's, it also has a plastic barrier in it. I know a lot of you guys, when you drip a coating on these applicators, you want to believe that most of that juicy goodness is staying on top of the applicator and not penetrating the foam, so you like that plastic liner. One day I'll tell you how crazy that is and how silly it is in the end, but I'm going to talk about it in the future. But this product right here, it's made by Revive. The company's called Revive. You can find it at O'Reilly's. This is the deal. I think it's $8.99 for 2 applicators. So what is that, $4.50 an applicator? Yep, a little bit on the expensive side as far as these applicators are concerned. You can probably get them for half the cost online with maybe on Amazon or other auto detailing supply houses. But guess what? If you're in a bind and you need something locally and you've got a coating job coming up, or you're a DIY guy and you forgot to get an applicator, you can walk into O'Reilly's, get a nice short suede cloth applicator with a plastic barrier for, what is that, $4.50 per applicator, and you get 2 in the box. I like it. I can recommend it all day long. It works great. Here's another applicator that you can buy at, this comes from AutoZone. These are not bad. They're kind of like a pearl weave. They got a very short little nap to them. I like that. Even though it doesn't have the plastic barrier, I like the suede ones, which is going to be that style from O'Reilly's. I like that type of nap for my applicator. Or I'll jump up to a pearl weave if I have to. These are good. They'll work. They're cheap at AutoZone. But again, they don't have the plastic barrier in it, so just keep that in mind. The other thing is I want to talk about applicators that a lot of people use. This does have a plastic liner in it, so you're not soaking material into the foam. But I'm not a big fan of these type of microfiber applicators. You want to know why? What do microfibers do? They like to absorb product, right? Even though this has a plastic liner in this type of microfiber block, if you looked at the microfiber under a microscope versus the suede ones, they're little loops, right? So what happens a lot is our product gets trapped inside these little loops. Not the end of the world, but I think it's something we should talk about it. Now I'm going to talk about it later, and talk about how when we're looking for an applicator, we want something that's got a very short nap, like the suede ones from AutoZone, or O'Reilly's, sorry. Or if you had to go up to AutoZone and get the pearl weave, that's okay. But when we start getting into these little longer nap microfiber applicators for coatings, I'm not a big fan, because you got to remember, this is nanotechnology. A lot of the resins in the coating can get caught in these little naps or these little loops of the microfiber. Not the end of the world. I'm getting really technical, folks, okay? But that's why I tend to go with the suede ones. This video is really about the one you can find at O'Reilly's. $8.99 for the 2, so that's $4.50 a block. Again, you can get it cheaper, but if you're in a bind and you like that plastic barrier, you want a very short nap suede applicator block, which I would recommend, folks, we all can get it at O'Reilly's. I love it. Hope that helps you out. Hey, as a pro, I've been, oh my God, I need an applicator. I'd like a short suede cloth. I'd like it to have the little plastic barrier. Guess what? We can all get it at O'Reilly's. Love you so much. Hope that helps you out.